One thing I never expected to become a challenge on brand sessions is finding space for my lighting equipment. Now, I photograph and film makers, artists, designers, and I travel on location to their studios, their workshops, their workrooms, and sometimes their spaces are so tight, but I still want really good lighting. So that is why I've added this Nanlite, this LED panel to my gear kit to solve this problem. And if you have been having similar issues, let me walk through everything that's included to this gear kit because it's my new favorite thing for these challenging spaces. I bought this kit, it was not sponsored. Let's dive in. I already own plenty of lighting, large soft boxes, continuous light, so why another light? It's really because of these tight situations and tight areas of a workshop or a studio that I'm finding myself. And sometimes there isn't room for that larger modifier on a C-stand. So this slim LED panel suddenly made a lot more sense to me.